Mr. Richard from New Hampshire called me. I watched your video, Mr. Martin, but I would like to tell you that what you said over there, it's really true. I have a beautiful, more than 100 years old Oriental rug. Big. And I don't know, 30, 40 years I never cleaned this rug. Till my daughter decided to bring a new dog to the house, and the celebration start. The dog start peeing all over the area rug, carpet, Oriental rug. And now I have to make a decision. Throw the rugs away or clean it. And without any knowledge, I went to Home Depot. I rent a machine. I listened to the salesman about the cleaning product that he recommend, and I purchased it. I shampooed the rug the whole weekend. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All 4th of July, cleaning the Oriental rug. So I cleaned the rug on the top. My wife say to me, it smells worse than before. So I clean it on Saturday, 4th of July. And it smells so bad that I have to take it outside. I took it outside. I put it in the sun. It dried completely. I put it inside. She said to me, take it outside. It smells bad. And now I have to make a decision. Why it smells so bad? Very simple. You didn't clean the Oriental rug through the rug. You shampoo only on the top. You shampoo only on the bottom. But the middle of the rug, where is all the urine crystal hide, you left it over there. This is what separates PetPeePee company from the rest of the carpet cleaning industry in the world. I clean the Oriental rug through the rug, and I flush out all the urine crystal that's hiding deep inside the middle of the rug. PetPeePee. I invented a cleaning process, then I guarantee upon delivery, put your nose whatever you want. Guarantee in writing, no trace of urine odor and no chemical smell. PetPeePee. Would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? Call today